Batman, I'm pumped to go to the Taylor Swift concert.
I know, me too.
Batman,
I'm so
watch
excited
out!
to go. You know, she's really made a comeback this year.
Mommy.
My back. Bum 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 bum. Well. Batman and Robin. I found you two on the side of the road. I wonder why that is. I bet you were going to that Taylor Swift concert. Ooh, drunk driving again, Batman, I see. Well, I would have went to Taylor Swift, but it was too expensive. Get the Batmobile now. I had to pay my taxes. When I was a little boy, my father... Hey, what's the meaning of this? Guard, take care of this. Right away, boss. Hey, get back here. You're not getting away. Whoa. Joker, your plans always fail.
Batman, get me out of here.
Let's beat up this clown.
Come on, let's go.
You'll never stop me, Batman. What's the meaning of this? Joker, pull over. Yeah. I'm not the one driving.
Yeah, Batman, look at Tom.
What?
Glad we escaped from
This isn't over, Penguin. Robin, after him.
Let's go, Batman.
This may not have been my plan, Batman, but I'll still come out on top.
I'm not top, stupid.
On my back. Shut up, Joker. Curse you, Batman and Robin. You ruined my plans.
Okay.
Who's this? I'm a security guard. Joker, you have a visitor.
Thank you, guys. Hi, Joker. You recognize me? It's Harley Quinn. I came to save you.